Welcome. In front of me is a DJI Osmo Mobile 7, and today I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the stabilizer itself. So, popping it open, we do have a single seal to just yoink off and get inside. And just the same way as the 7P version of this, it comes in the same kind of packaging, with just a subtle difference in terms of accessories. So here we have our little phone, however you want to call it, a little clamp that is going to magnetically attach. One thing that is a difference between this and the 7P, as this is just a 7, so this one, is that the 7P actually comes with a this kind of magnetic attachment along with a camera. So this would connect to the phone, I believe, and you could just have a selfie cam along with a rear camera along with a flash up the front. This is just a straight up only clamp with nothing else to it. Then we get the instruction and obviously gimbal. So popping that open. There we go. We have the gimbal. Again, just like the 7P, it has built-in tripod at the bottom with a thread so you can extend it. Works pretty well. There we go. Now this is not extendable, just like the P7. P7 has a little rod that you can just extend. This one does not. Now in terms of opening it up, we're just gonna flip it up like so, and it automatically turns on. The power button to turn it off is the M button, which you can see right here on the side. The actual gimbal itself, it's significantly lighter compared to the 7P. And taking a look at this, let's just first lock it up. There we go. So I'm gonna grab my phone. Now I do have a relatively light phone, so I can just, or not light but small phone, so this, even with the case, fits no problem. But just to kind of showcase this, there is not much more room outside of this. Just kind of try to take it off. There we go. So like this is the max, and I'm talking about like the maximum capability of this little thing. So if I were to hold it, you can see, I guess for my phone, yeah, it's gonna fit probably even the Note, but it does have this kind of uncomfortable stretch. So anyway, I just pop my phone in here. There we go. And just flip it up, plop it on. You can see it does lock into place. It only has like one way to go. Probably, there we go. Move my phone a little bit higher. And right off the bat, even though it's not connected, as it does connect through Bluetooth, it's already stabilizing the device, no problem. So it's working pretty well. I can also control it from here. I just don't have the obvious controls that I typically would have when it's connected, either through cable or Bluetooth. So none of the buttons that would control the camera on the phone do anything at the moment. So there we go. And the cool thing is, when you're done using it, you can just hold the M button, locks it into position. You can just pop that off and then fold it down, and I'm done. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.